Hello guys again. Say hello, Daddy.
Hello, everyone.
Today we are with another gunfight.
Why are you jumping so high?
Because
Gunfight. Eliminate all enemies and capture the overtime objective to win.
Okay, I'm gonna start shooting you.
no, don't shoot me. I'm too precious. I'm too beautiful for that.
Okay, you go up, I'll go down.
Yep.
Enemy contact.
Okay, see someone. I'm shooting at her.
I'm shooting this guy today.
I got one.
Oh, you got the same guy?
I got
Wait.
one, but someone killed me.
Wait, where are they?
I don't know. There's someone right near you. Be
I
careful.
thought I saw somebody over there.
Yeah, there is. I saw them. He's the one who killed me.
I hear footsteps.
I believe you could do this.
Oh,
You killed him
Lost
already.
that round, but it's not over yet. Ready up.
Nothing.
I guess he was a little quicker
No
than I
mercy.
was.
Take them down.
Alright, here we go again.
All right. I must not go up.
Where are you? Where'd you go?
I went to the other way.
It's the same
Contact with
guy.
enemy.
Someone killed me.
Again?
Yes, again.
I got this guy.
Lost that round, but it's not over
Behind
yet.
me.
Ready up. Put them in
Oh,
the
we're
ground.
losing.
Oh no, that's bad. Okay, I'm gonna try to win.
Alright,
They
let's
keep
go.
on going through the that door thingy. Why don't we go search there?
Let's just stay here.
Okay,
Let's duck.
okay, let's stay here. Okay, throw at each other. Okay,
Wait, somebody threw something else.
that was me.
Oh, you got him.
Yeah, 'cause I'm the best.
Where's the other guy?
I bet is he on my side?
I don't know. I don't see
Target's in
anybody.
sight.
Oh, he's over there next to the wooden place.
Okay, I'll go there.
Okay. You died. It's horrible. 5. Okay.
I bet you're gonna lose. I just bet.
He's right there. Shoot, 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 shoot.
Lost
What?
that.
That's a glitch? What?
Eliminate all of
Oh my
them.
god. I was shooting at him. He
You're
was
such
just
a
laying down.
You're
I mean,
such a potato. I'm so
donkey.
lovely. I'm so lovely. You're a potato. Okay, now let's both stay there. Okay, you stay there. I'll be on the top.
Okay, you die on top, okay?
Okay. Wait, what? You know what? I'm gonna kill it. I'm gonna kill it.
Oh my god, you guys are shooting like crazy.
He's already dead.
I saw you fainting. You're like, oh. Oh, I see that guy right
Kill him.
there. Oh, let me go
Reload.
around. Reload. Reload.
Go, 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 go.
I got him. Yay.
Yay!
Nice
I'm
work.
so happy
Ready
from
for the next
having.
round.
I'm dead.
Eliminate all
Okay,
of
I'm
them.
back alive. I love
Oh
this
my
gun.
god.
I love this gun.
Alright, let's go. I'm gonna do the same thing, watch.
Okay. But I'm gonna go get him.
Again, on the top.
Somebody please.
Let's throw
Frag!
a grenade. Throw the grenade next to me. That was horrible.
Contact with enemy!
Watch out. Oh,
You really can't get.
Tango down.
you killed both of them.
Nice work. Get ready for the next round.
Just be glad.
Put them in the ground.
Okay, it's your turn. Alright, where are you going? You going up or down?
I'm going up, but you go to the boxy side.
Okay, I'm going to the same place. Oh wait, they changed the map. Oh my god, I'm confused. Where do we go?
You're a potato.
Enemy down.
I got him.
Ready for the next round.
I got all of them 100%.
Go. Enemies in the area.
100%. Ah. Okay, you just go to that place
I
where you.
think I shot him too. I shot both.
Enemy in
That's
sight.
lies. You speak lies. Okay, you stay there.
Okay, you just go with it then. died already. That was horrible.
Be careful, I think he's gonna come behind you. I think he might come behind you, Daddy. Be careful. I told you he'll come behind you! You see, you don't listen to your...
Lost that round, but it's not over yet.
Dad.
Ready up.
You don't listen
Gorgeous
to me.
baby, I should have listened.
Go. Enemies are in the area.
Why don't you give me the stare? I don't know if you guys are looking. You can't see us, but he's giving me the stare. Like I'm the potato. He's the steak.
Enemy contact.
This guy. I'm sure he's gonna come sometime. You just go over there and die, okay? Oh, you killed him for me, huh? Alright, I'll go with you. Where are you? I'll help you out.
Whatever.
What's going on? What's going on? Oh, there's a guy. What?
He killed you. You see him can't resist.
He's in the wooden place. Just follow
You
him.
can't win without me.
Tango down.
You're
Nice work. Get ready for the next round.
4 against me.
2 more rounds. Take it.
We're tied. Guys, he wanted to play with me because he couldn't win. He was trying to record a video by himself. And he couldn't win, so now he's here playing with me, hoping he wins.
I'm winning.
Because he
I
can't,
always win.
you can't win without me. See, I already got a kill.
Contact with enemy.
You just die, okay?
I got it. Don't worry about it. I got it. See?
Got him.
What do you mean? It says
Ready for the
20
next round.
points.
Yeah, not 100.
1 more round. Finish it.
Nobody cares. I must shine. Do-do-do-do.
Okay, this is the last one.
I'm gonna get last kill, you know? Because y'all are the psycho. Yes! Okay, I'm gonna win.
Enemy down.
I got you. You must always reload.
Contact.
Reload. I don't really need to reload, but I'm just reloading.
Follow him.
You see, you can't.
Get him,
You're not gonna win without me. You can't win without me, okay? But you can see that.
Enemy down.
So you see, you can't win without me. It's just a thing. You can't win without me. You
It was
see,
a good one.
it's perfecto actually. Didn't you see me?
But he
What?
was shooting the wall.
That's not how it looks like. Wait, you guys know that. Anyways, bye guys.
I won again, yes.
I'm MVP. Dun, 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 dun.
Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Bum, bum.
Bye.